Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Mike here. We're throwing it back like old times, doing a brand new unboxing of the iPhone 17 Pro Max in Cosmic Orange. It's launch day, so we picked up a couple other things as well. We got Apple Watch Ultra 3 in black titanium. We've got AirPods Pro 3, very excited about these. We've got the new 40-watt dynamic power adapter, but we're gonna jump right in, the star of the show, get this iPhone unboxed. Let's get to it. Prepare for liftoff. Wow, she is beautiful. All aluminum design, a little bit different from previous years. We had titanium, it's stainless steel, but now things are going back to being a little bit like they used to be. Rounded edges, beautiful orange. I like this, it's pretty light still too. Inside, you're just gonna have your USB-C cable and a little quick start guide. Super basic, super simple. I'm glad to see these cables are braided now. It's a beautiful thing. I'll just jump right into it. Boot that up. Controls around the sides are pretty much the same. You get your action button, volume up, down. It looks like the wave, whatever they call it, has moved into the top. You get your side button. You've got your camera control. You've got your speakers and mic. You get your USB-C. Got a matching color down there, which I love a lot. Beautiful design, front and back. Loving this new camera flash kind of module set. Apple really killed the design this year, and looks like we're ready to get started and go. All right, that just about does it. Plain and simple. If you guys want to see more, see these products open, maybe a little in-depth first look at the phone, let me know down in the comments below. If you like this video, please be sure to hit it with a thumbs up and click that subscribe button below. And I'll see you guys in the next one.